suffer from two things. Either an overinflated opinion of yourself or an over low opinion of yourself. They both come from the same place, called pride. It's unfortunate, Pastor Kelly, real unfortunate, that many people suffer in the noise of silence. If your silence had a voice, no one would be able to hear me preach today. Marinate on that. You suffer silently because you have no one to talk to. You can't even talk to your spouse about some of the things that you really feel about your life and ministry. Because either you're in a place where they're not, or they're in a place where you think they ought to be. And for you to say, you know, you really should be a little bit deeper by now, that causes an argument. And then you can't go tell nobody because that's taboo in church. You don't tell people your business. But nobody has ever told you, why don't you talk to Jesus about it? See, wait. See how quiet it got? Because that's normally not an option, because most Christians have church relationships and not God relationships. You know why? You know why that wasn't an option for you? Because you have a relationship with a building. You have a relationship with a man and a woman. You have a relationship with church auxiliaries. But when all that stuff fades, how can two walk together except they agree? Steele, you gave me a scripture from Revelation the other night, and I went to the hotel and I really pondered in my mind, and this is what I came up with. In Revelation 3, he says this: he'd rather you be hot or cold, but because you're lukewarm, he'll spew you out of his mouth. And I looked at that, and really this is what he's saying: I would rather you be a hot believer or a cold sinner than be a lukewarm Christian.